How to delete all tagged photos on your Facebook at once. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and today I will guide you how you can solve this very problem. So to know how you can do it, watch this video till the very end. First of all, make sure you go on the Google Play Store of your device. On the top search bar, you can simply search for Facebook and install the latest version of Facebook on your device. After installing, you can simply open your Facebook. Now on the top left side, you will see a circle with your profile on it. Just tap on it and tap on the three horizontal lines. And after that, since I have no post available, then that's why there is nothing right here. But yeah, after setting up your profile, I am not going to set up this right now. So whenever you tap on this, you will see the option of review post and tags. And when you tap on this, you will see all the videos, photos, or any post that you are tagged in, and you can simply delete it at once by selecting them by tapping on review tags on your post, or you can simply delete it by selecting all or at once as well. So try it on your own and see if it works or not. I hope this video helped you. If you like the video, then thumbs up, subscribe our channel, and also comment in our comment section. Thank you.